Hi there, meet me again in the CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to install MySql server in Android using Termux. First, we need to update our package. Then, you can using upgrade to upgrade your package if nothing absolutely. And then, just install MariaDB here. Just wait this process until done. Okay, need 15 megabytes. Using slow connection, I need to wait approximately 1 minute. Sorry. Okay guys, just wait. Okay, almost done here. Okay, setting up MariaDB here. Then before we install basic database, this is commonly error. We need to go to directory data /data /com.termux, and then using files user /etc here ls. Please create directory mkdir my.cnf.d. This is the important process because we need to install a basic database in this directory. Install, I'm sorry, not install MySql, I mean _install db. Okay, now using MySql d underscore using save MySql save, this is using -u root using n symbol like this guys. Hit enter. Okay, then MySql -u root like this. Okay, now we can show databases to see access database here. Okay, try to create database, for example news. Let's try. Okay, show database. That's all tutorial how to create MySql server in Termux Android. Now your smartphone function as web server and MySql server if you ever seen my previous tutorial about install web server. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.